Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make some items, collectables and HUD for our RPG game. So I will show you some sprites I've made here. I've made 3 for the life, mana, stamina. In the life I have here the sub image 0 is the life full, the 1 is health and the 2 is empty. Same as mana and stamina, I made a SPR coin right here, a sprite for the coin we'll take. The spot, we're not going to use this, no, we're not going to use it. I made a grass, the sub image 0 means she's okay, the 1 is destroyed, and the break animation for her. Okay, this grass I will use to drop some items, and I made some bottles. Okay, we're going to work today with the red bottle right here, so the sub image 0 that I will show only how to make to catch life. And in the objects I want you to create 5 in objects: the obj global, obj life bottle, obj coin, obj grass, obj grass break. Okay, this obj global we're going to put or global variables. The global variables can be used every time in every object. They work for everyone. So I'll put here global var, and I want to make right now 4 variables. I'll put life, global mana, global stamina, and global coin. Okay, so I will use it to show our stats: the life, mana, stamina and coin. Why 6? Well, let's think with me. We've put 3, we will only have 3 hearts, but you have to remember that I put where here I've put the heart full and the health, so that means 2 points life right here. Okay, so that's why I put in not 3 but 6. That's the double. Alright, and I wanted to make the obj global not visible, and no, let's let it visible, but put persistence on it. And the depth, let's put a very big depth. Why persistent? Well, persistent never change. In the obj life bottle, I want only the first sub image in my game, so I for the life bottle, so I'm going to put image index equals 0, image speed equals 0. I don't want to have animation, and I will put here collision with player. We'll do this code. What I want to do, what happens when I catch it? Well, it will give to the player life. How much? Well, I want 2 points of life, and after that she will destroy herself. Never forget of destroying it, or it will keep giving you life since you are touching it. So destroy it after you take. Okay, very good. The coin, same as the life, collision with player. I'll copy it right here and put here, only change the coin and the value. Put one coin. Let's see, the grass. Okay, I want to make the grass solid, and as I show you, I have 2 sprites of the grass here. One she's alive, another she's dead. Okay, let's talk this way. So while she's not breaking, I want her to have the first image only. So if I will create a variable for her called destroyed equals 0, so she's not destroyed. Image index equals 0. If destroy equals 1, image index equal 1, so she will turn to the destroyed image. And another thing, I don't want her to be solid anymore when she's breaked, so I'm going to put solid equals false. I think that's very easy to understand. And I don't want her to have an animation, I only want her images, so I'm going to put image speed equals 0. Okay, now let's create that variable destroy. Destroy equals 0, she's not destroyed yet. And when will her get destroyed? Only if her collides with our sword. So I'm going to put here collision with sword, destroy equals 1. Very good. In the depth I'm going to put 10 for her keeping the floor. And the object grass break right here, I will put animation and destroy herself. That's all I need for it. I'll put some depth here. Negative 100 for appear she is breaking above the player. Okay, let's put it in the map. I already put in here coins, the enemy, the grass. I'll put more grass. 8. Okay, put a lot of grass. Now let's work with our global here to draw the hood for the life. That's very advanced now because it will be a lot of restrictions for the life. Let me put it here. Well, you gotta keep your eyes open now. We have this code right here in the beginning, so we have 6 points of life. Don't forget that, okay? So let's start drawing the sprites in the screen. First we have to put which sprite we want, that is a spear life. The sub image, remember that 0, wait a second, I'm going to show you. 0, she's full, 1, she's health, 2, she's empty. So remember 0, 1, 2. I want first hers full, so equals 0, and her X and Y. Here come a very important thing. We ain't going to put Y and X, no. We're going to put the viewing because we want that in the viewing, following the viewing. Okay, don't want that to get out of the screen. So what we put here? We put viewing, underline, X viewing, and the number of the viewing, that's the 0. Viewing, Y viewing, 0. Just like this, okay? If you want to put some more coordinates in it, you put in the side, in the right side, like this, okay? I will put 2 and 2 for not keep it touching the window, okay? So in this case right here, you can see that our heart or life is full, but I don't want that ever. I want that to be the first life we have. So the top, the left top sprite. So I'm going to put some restrictions for her. If global life bigger or equals to 2, that little lady right here will get full, okay? Will be shown as full. Let's put another restriction here. Now if global life is equal to 1, so that little lady right here will get a health. So we turn this to 1. And the last one, if global life equal 0, she will get empty. Very good. So for the first heart, that's the heart where my cursor is right there, will the engine for him is all over right now. Let's make for the second heart. If global.life is until bigger or equals 4, you have to pay attention. This is all math right now. We'll draw a sprite. Wait a second. Look, watch her scale is 15 and 16. So I want that in the right of the first. Okay. So I'm going to put more 15. Very good. I guess you guys get it. If the global life is bigger or equal 4, that one will get full. Let's put another here. If global life equal 3, let me copy this guy. What's going to happen? That will get a health. But when the global life are smaller or equals to 2, let's put smaller than 3, that's way faster, she's going to be empty. That's all math now, guys. If you don't like math, just get out of Game Maker. Now going to put the third heart, the third life orb. If global.life is bigger or equals to 6, that's the max we have of life right here, right now. Very good. What's going to happen? Oh, sorry. Very good. This life will be full. That's the third, so I have to put more 15 here. Okay. Let's put more restrictions here. We're almost done with the life. If global life equals 5, it will get a health, and if it is smaller than 5, it will get empty. Okay, very good. But we don't have reasons to lose life right now in the game, so I have to put it. I'll put right here, player collision with enemy. Enemy will get global life -1. We'll lose 1 point of life. But remember, if he touch you, you will lose some life. We don't want that. We want our player to get hurt, so let's create another variable for the player. A time for he keep hurted. I'll put here hurt equals 0 and hurt time equals 30. I will make he get hurted for 1 second. I think that is enough. In the step event, I'll put another code here. I'll call it hurt engine. So if hurt equal 1, that means the hurt is activated. Hurt time negative equals 1, so it will lose 1 hurt time per step. I've put hurt time to 30, so that will be 1 second. And let's make the image helper change. I'll put 0.5, so we'll get a transparency. And if hurt time equals 0, hurt equals 0, we'll get back to 0 because the time where we are invincible over, and the hurt time will get set up for 30 again. That's a very fast and easy hurt engine. Okay, so collision with enemy. We only will lose life now if hurt is equal to 0. Okay, we've done right here. I've put in everything, so let's test this. Look, the life right there in the top. Let me fool this window. Okay, you can see the life right here. I'll not let my enemy touch me now. So look, I'm losing life when he hurt me, as you can see, and I get some life here. Yeah, very good. Now let's try to break this grass. Okay, she's breaking. I forgot I've put in the animation. Well, we got a bug here because I didn't make the player die. Let's put the animation in the grass first. Wait a second, let me think about what I have to do right here. If destroy equal 1, it's hard to go to false. If collision with object sword, go to the collision with the sword. In the code we will put that. If destroy is equal to 0, stance create, and the same coordinate then grass break, and destroy goes to 1. Okay, we done with the grass now. Very done. Now let's go make our hurt engine again. Don't know what the fuck happened. Hurt is equal to 0, hurt time 30. Step hurt engine. Let me see again. If hurt is equal to 1, we will lose this. If hurt time is get to 0, hurt go to 0. Hurt time. I'll put some more time here, and the image alpha goes to 1 again. I forgot that. Okay, now I'm going to put 2 seconds of invincibility. Better now. So when we collide with the enemy, if hurt is equal to 0, we'll lose life. And I forgot of that. Hurts goes to 1. Okay, I'll show you again. If you want to copy that, just pause the video and copy. No, not the movement, the hurt engine. Okay, and the collision with the enemy. Very good now. And another thing, I don't want to that bug with the hood happen. You saw that thing faded. I don't want that, so I'm going to put in the step a little control for the life. Okay, let me see. If global life is smaller than 0, it will get back to 0. Only for controlling this bug. Very good now. And let's make 2 very fast here. Let's make here the coin count. What I want you to do, we only will draw a sprites. Draw sprites SPR coin. The sub image I will put, I don't remember. Let me see here. Yes, the first, she's 15 by 15. I don't know if you guys call 15 or 15. I'm sorry for that. I'm saying 15, but I get it's 15. I'm sorry, really sorry for that. I forgot about it. So 0 viewing, X viewing. Well, I guess you guys not here for listening to me talking English, only for the tutorial. I'm sorry for that. Oh god, no, 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 no. Good. Okay, now I want the coin to appear in the bottom left of the screen. I remember that I don't remember the screen. Where? Here, the screen horizontal is 240. So I'll plus 240 now is in the bottom, and remove 15 of the, now I talk right, 15 not 15 of the coin, and for the right. Okay, now we're going to draw the test that will be the coin count. I'm going to, come on, the same coordinates of the coin, and here we'll put the string we want, and I'm going to put global coin. That is a value, okay, so it shows the value of the global coin, so the coins we have. I don't want it to touch. Then I'll give a space between them, and I will give something for the font. I'll put draw set v align. That it will change the origin. I'll put here in the top will be good. In top, okay, top, and either horizontal. That one is for the vertical. That one is for the horizontal. In the horizontal, I put in the left. Guess okay now. I guess, and draw set color, of course. Let's change the color. C underline white. You saw there was a lot of colors. Wait a second. And guess we okay with the coin. So we're not over yet. Let's go make a drop system. I cannot forget that drop system. Okay, so when the grass is breaking, she will create the grass breaking animation, and let's make some variables for this. When she's created, I want her to create a drop variable, and I want this to be random, the value it will choose. I will use 3 values here, and if drop equals 1, she will create an object in the same coordinates to her. I'll put here life bottle. I'll do the same for the coin, but for drop 2, obj coin, right? And when the drop goes to 3, it will drop nothing. Okay, we didn't put nothing here, so it ain't going to drop. And we're almost done here. Now we've put life for the player and coins count for him, but the enemy, we can't forget the enemy. What I'm going to do, I will come to the player and copy his hurt engine. I'll do the same for the enemy. Just copy and paste. Very good. In the hurt engine, what I'm going to do is only ADD something here. If life less or equals 0, the enemy will destroy itself. That life right here is a variable, so we have to create it. Let's create this variable. Life equal, I want the enemy to have, let's make a hard enemy, 4 points of life. And when the enemy collides with the player's sword, what's going to happen? Let's see, if hurt equals 0, hurt will be changed to 1, just as we did for the player, and it will remove 1 point of life. If you want the enemy to be pushed away, all you have to do is this right here. Move toward the player, and in the speed you put negative speed. Okay, here we put obj player point x, obj player dot y, and that's relative. Don't guess with the width needed, but that will happen only when it's colliding with the sword. Okay, now we have a lot of more things, new stuff here we put. Let's see it. Hope if hurts. Okay, I forgot. Sorry, really sorry. Go to the enemy create and put the hurt variables too. I forgot about them. Sorry for that, my mistake. Hurt times 60. Very good now. That may works. So he's following me. Let me. He attack me. Okay, I'm losing life. Okay, now I'm gonna hit him. He's hidden. Okay, I guess that moving toward gave me some problem. Sorry for that. Just remove it. Okay, now I can hurt him and he can hurt me. Oh, very good. That's a true fighting. Oh yeah. You see in the bottom there's the coin count. The number is all wrong here, but you can change it just modifying the coordinates of the test. That's very easy. You can do that by yourself. Here we can see now that there's a drop system. We can take, and you see right down the count here, down the count of the coins. Now we almost done in our game. Look, you can collect a lot of things. So if you want to create the mana and the stamina too, you just do the same engine that we made for the life. And for making don't know anything count, you can do just like the coin. If you want, for example, arrows and want to put them right here, you will make a sprite for the hood and we'll put right here, just like we've done to the coin. Draw the sprite here and the test count for the global arrow here, the way you want, the way you think is better. And I guess this is all for today. Hope you guys enjoy it and give your like to support the channel. See you next video.